Hi everybody, today we're doing a light worksheet. Again, real short worksheet. You need to understand the concept of a continuous spectrum, which is A, with an absorption spectrum, which is B, which is an emission spectrum, and C, which is absorption. This is emission. And it's a line spectrum. And this thing up here is a full spectrum or complete. So if you look at A is something you would see coming out of a light bulb. It would be something you'd see, or an incandescent light bulb, something you'd see coming out of the sun, for example. That's what you'd see. Something coming out of a hydrogen bulb that was burning, or a helium bulb that was burning, or a neon light bulb, which is very common down in downtown Roanoke that you'd see. It's coming out with very specific line spectra. Now, if you were to pass this through a cold gas, like hydrogen, for example, it would absorb certain colors. And that's exactly what you're seeing down here. You have a light. This is emitting a full spectrum like A. When it goes into the cloud absorbs certain colors. And it's going to absorb the colors based upon what the gas is. Now, in this case, we're just saying it's oxygen gas. I don't know what its line spectra is. But the bottom line is it is going to absorb certain colors. So it's going to let most of the color go through, most of the light go through, but certain colors of light it is going to steal. And that's what the cloud of cold oxygen gas is going to do. So when you actually put the remaining light through a prism, it's going to give you a certain thing, and it will look like item C. Similarly, if I take a hot gas and I just put it through a prism, it's only going to give off certain frequencies of light. We just talked about that. That's going to be B. And an incandescent light bulb or the sun is going to give you a full spectrum, which is going to be something like A that you would see on the other side. So when a light bulb is off, it is not emitting light. When the light bulb is on, this is number 5, it emits light. So what is it doing? Is it absorbing light? Is it reflecting light? Well, if you look at a light bulb that is currently turned off, look around the room. Do you see a light bulb in your room that's turned off? Can you see it? Well, why can you see it? Well, it's because it's reflecting other ambient light that's in the room. So when a light bulb is off, if you can see it, then what it is doing, it is reflecting light. When the light bulb's on, it's emitting light. We can see the International Space Station at night. Why? Is it emitting light? No. Is it absorbing light? Well, yeah, but that's not why you could see it. Right? It is absorbing light because it has some solar panels on it. But the part of the light that you can see, the reason that you can see it, right, is because the International Space Station is reflecting light. Now, you're currently looking at a computer screen as you're watching this video. The computer screen is presently doing what? Is it absorbing? Is it emitting? Is it reflecting? If you turned off all the lights in the room, would you still see it? Yes, you would. So that means it's not reflecting. Well, the edge may be, but that's not what we're talking about. We're specifically talking about the main part of the screen, which is emitting light, and that's what you're seeing. Okay? That's it.